Steady Bodies.
I started taking creatine every day for 4 months, and here are the top 5 benefits I've noticed. 1. Increased strength and power. Creatine helps your muscles produce more energy, which can lead to greater strength and power output during high intensity exercise. I've almost doubled my lift weight in a matter of months. Number 2. Improved muscle mass. Creatine can help you build muscle mass by increasing the amount of water that your muscles retain. This helps you swell the muscle cells, which can lead to an increase in size. Number 3. Improved exercise performance. Creatine can help you improve your exercise performance by allowing you to work out for longer periods of time and at a higher intensity. This is because creatine helps your muscles produce more energy, which can help you avoid fatigue. I like to jog first thing in the morning and swim at lunch at a good pace. I can now go longer and a bit faster with creatine. Number 4. Enhanced recovery. Creatine can help you recover from exercise more quickly by helping your muscles repair themselves more effectively. This is because creatine helps to provide your muscles with the energy they need to repair themselves. My recovery has improved dramatically and I no longer feel sore in the mornings. This means I can work out the same muscles more often during the week. Number 5. Potential brain benefits. Some studies have shown that creatine may have potential benefits to brain health, such as improving memory and cognitive function. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. I've certainly noticed my memory improving. I work in finance and the ability to recall facts and reasons while reporting numbers is essential. To experience the brain benefits, experts suggest taking 8 to 10 grams of creatine per day. However, you may succumb to some of the drawbacks to creatine that I'll outline shortly. Okay, let's talk about dosage. The recommended daily dose of creatine is 3 to 5 grams per day. You can take this dose all at once or split it into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout the day. Starting out, I personally didn't do this, but experts say that if you're just starting out, you may want to follow a creatine loading protocol, which involves taking 20 grams of creatine per day for 7 to 5 days. This will help to saturate your muscles with creatine more quickly. Let's talk about those pesky downsides to taking creatine. Number 1. Water retention. Creatine can cause your body to retain water, which can lead to bloating and weight gain. However, this is usually a temporary side effect that goes away once your body gets used to creatine. I didn't creatine load, so I didn't experience this. Number 2. Stomach upset. Some people experience stomach upset or diarrhea when they take creatine. This is usually due to taking too much creatine at once. If you experience stomach upset, try taking the smaller dose of creatine, or splitting up your dose throughout the day. I take a 4-gram dose in the morning after my workout, and another 4-gram dose in the morning during dinner. And third, kidney problems. There is some concern that creatine may increase the risk of kidney problems. However, most studies have not found any evidence to support this claim. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, talk to your doctor before taking creatine. Overall, creatine is proven to be a safe and effective supplement that can offer a number of benefits to athletes and fitness enthusiasts. If you are considering taking creatine, be sure to talk to your doctor first to make sure it's right for you. Thanks for watching.